For this week's trades of the week, for the week starting the 6th of January, a few signals just look to take place on Friday night, actually, or Sunday night's sort of opening, if you like. First of all, starting with the S&Ps, this trade not really going huge distance so far, but that sniper there coming in on a closing price of 1831.4. Now, this is a trade that is against the trend of the market, so we're just going to look for a very quick, very cool 60 points there. So that'll be 6 full points. So looking for the markets to go down to 1825.4 or more to pick up that 60-point target. Now, of course, as we move in through to today, we're very much sideways at this stage. A little bit of a rally in the around sort of 8 o'clock, but just pulling back a little bit from there. So not a huge amount doing so far, but certainly that sniper short there. And we've got that very strong 79% success rate since the beginning of January 11 that this market, or the markets, will then move 60 points or more. So it's a very good move so far, and looking good so far on the S&P's chart there. So that's number one. Number two, Aussie dollar also against the trend of the market. This is really an interesting chart. Not normally one that I would bring up for something like this, but really, we finally had that opportunity to buy here on the 3rd of January. So again, Friday's close. We've kind of plus minus nothing really on this stage on the market. We've rallied about 40 points there. Again, it's against the trend, so we're looking for that 60 points. We've moved 40 so far, and then pulled back a little bit from those highs. But very much sort of, nice and green at the bottom here, sniper. And it wasn't until eventually here that we actually got our signal as we closed above this green line here. But subsequently, markets not doing huge amounts at this stage on either the Aussie dollar or the S&Ps, but certainly a couple of markets to keep our eyes on for the coming week or so. Moving through to the yen pairs now, we've had some very, very fast action on the yen pairs. Starting off with euro yen. In fact, sorry, let's move to euro yen first. Opportunity to sell here. Bad risk reward here, in fairness, but do you know what? Really nice opportunity to trade. Sniper, trend signal turning from green to red. That vector average red there as well. And then finally, against the trend, and as such, looking for 60 points. Entry 142.39. Close of this bar, open of this bar. Because it's against the trend, we're going to be in, we're going to be out. When we trade with the trend, we go for bigger targets. Against the trend, we take our money and we run. So looking for our entry then at 39, remember 142.39. So we're looking down for what? About 80s, okay? Low is 141.49. So we've moved about 30 points through our target there. So really nice move. Our target was down around this sort of level here. So nice short. Hit our target on the first day. So if you'd have put that trade on, you've hit 60 points before the end of the day. And it's really that easy. Red, red, and red. It's 60 points. It's take your money and run and move on for the next trade. Dollar yen, very similar. Very poor entry candlestick in this, but it doesn't matter because what we're looking for are those indicators. They do that hard work for you, so you don't have to worry about candlestick patterns and things like that. Red here, red on this line here, sniper, 1, 2, 3. There's our short, 104.83. So remember, 60 points. This is against the trend again. I'm not going to go into why the trends are the way they are in this video, but 104.83. Target therefore 104.23. What's the low already? 104.13. So we moved 10 points through my target and notched up profits already. A number of trends used in the workshop told me that they'd taken profits on this trade already and on euro yen already. So really nice moves in and out, very easy to identify. And this is the thing about trend signals indicators there. That sniper circle in particular, very visual, very easy to spot. So even if you're quite new to trading or new to charts, I'm quite sure you can see that yellow disc on the chart there. And met with just a couple of other factors, that's going to give you the confidence to then place that trade, clarity of knowing when to buy, when to sell, and as I say, that confidence of when to exactly to pull that trigger. And so 60 points there. Remember, 79% success rate since the beginning of January 2011 that this market then goes on, or the markets then go on for a 60-point move or more on these daily charts. A significant move and really, really nice profits there already. And then finally, let's go through to a trade that is with the trend. This is a trade that I called in the workshop to trend signal customers on Thursday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. We saw this opportunity there. Of course, really, the trade was triggered on Wednesday night, but we're not running a webinar at that stage, so 98.44. Now, the difference with this trade and the others is that this is a trade that is with the trend. All the others were against the trend, so we're going to take our money and run. This trade, it's with the trend. So the trend on US oil is down, and therefore I'm going to look for bigger moves. I'm going to expect this market to move to a full extent. Not just a quick sort of 60 points. I'm expecting bigger and better things from this one. So what I'm looking for, same entry, 98.44. Sniper, green vector average, green trend signal line, all of those indicators suggesting a downward move. Target wise, I'm going to look all the way down to here. So as far as that target is concerned, from an entry of 98.44, I'm looking for a target of 94.56. So that's a target of 390 points. And do you know what? It did it in 2 days. That was day 1, day 2, target hit, objective met, and at £1 a point, that's about 390 quid just from that one trade alone. If you add in those trades from euro yen and dollar yen already, then 390 plus 120, you're picking up over 500 quid from those 3 trades, and all of them hit target within that first 2-day period. Fantastic opportunities, and if you can identify that sniper circle, you're well on your way to identifying some fantastic opportunities. Remember, a trend signal, we've built our own indicators so that A, you don't have to develop your own indicators yourself, you don't have to develop your own strategies. We'll teach you the strategies that we use every day that work, and they can help you and hundreds of other trend signal users identify trades just like this on the markets so that you can get that income, primary or secondary, that you're looking for. If you want to know more about the sniper strategy and more about the other strategies that we employ, why don't you get yourself to one of our webinars? We host regular webinars on our website about our indicators and how we can help people achieve their trading results they're looking for. Just look on a link below this video and you'll be able to book yourself a place for one of our events. Otherwise, everybody, have a good week's trading. Lots of data out this week, so be a little bit careful of that. And we're back with you again for the trades of the week next Monday. All the best and bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.